Welcome back, dear friends. Tell me, do you love flowers or foliage? Or maybe you are someone like me who loves both. But tell me one thing, do you also feel sad when a beautiful flower blooms today and dries up within just a day or two? Because honestly, that can feel disappointing. You wait for buds with so much excitement. You water the plant, care for it, observe it daily, and finally, when the flower blooms, it fades too quickly. If you feel the same, then this video is for you because today we are talking about plants whose blooms stay beautiful for more than a week. Some amazing examples are Anthurium, peace lily, orchid, golden candle plant, shrimp plant, ixora, and bougainvillea. All these plants have blooms or colorful bracts that stay attractive for a long time. But among all of them, one plant truly stands out for me, and that is Anthurium. If you want a plant that gives you beautiful blooms, gorgeous foliage, easy care, and long lasting flowers, then Anthurium deserves a place in your collection. Anthurium is truly one of the most elegant and luxurious looking plants. Its blooms are so glossy and perfect that many people think they are artificial flowers. That shiny, waxy texture makes Anthurium look premium and unique. The first time anyone sees an Anthurium bloom, they almost always stop and admire it, and honestly, who would not? It looks stunning. The most amazing thing, its blooms don't last for just a few days. An Anthurium bloom can stay fresh and beautiful for at least 2 weeks. In many cases, with proper care, blooms can last for 4 to 6 weeks or even more. That means you can enjoy the same flower for weeks. That is what makes this plant so special. Anthurium is one of the most beautiful ornamental indoor plants. It is famous for its heart-shaped, colorful blooms and glossy green leaves. The most common colors you'll find are red, pink, white, orange. These blooms have a waxy appearance that makes them look artificial, but they are very much real. That's exactly why Anthurium stands out in any plant collection. Whether you keep it in living room, balcony, office, garden corner, it instantly enhances the beauty of the space. Viewers, now let's talk about care. Many people think such beautiful plants must be difficult to maintain, but that's not true. Anthurium is actually quite manageable once you understand its need. Light, it loves bright indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight because it can burn the leaves and flowers. A bright shaded area is ideal. Watering, keep the soil lightly moist. Do not overwater. Water only when the top layer starts drying slightly. Soil, this is very important. Anthurium likes airy and well draining soil. A mix containing coco peat, compost bark, or perlite works very well. Good drainage keeps roots healthy. Humidity also helps Anthuriums thrive. That's why many Anthuriums perform beautifully during humid weather. Friends, now let's talk about something that plays a huge role in Anthurium's health and blooming, the soil mix. Many people focus only on watering and fertilizer, but the truth is, if the soil mix is wrong, your Anthurium will struggle no matter how well you care for it. Anthurium does not like heavy, compact soil. It prefers a soil mix that is light, airy, well draining, rich in organic matter. Why is this so important? Because Anthurium roots love moisture, but they also need airflow. Yes, their roots need to breathe. If the soil remains too compact or soggy for long periods, roots can suffocate and eventually start rotting. And once root rot begins, the plant starts showing warning signs like yellow leaves, droopy foliage, slow growth, poor blooming. That's why choosing the right soil mix makes a huge difference. A simple and effective mix for Anthurium can be 30% garden soil, 30% coco peat, 20% compost or vermicompost, 20% bark pieces, perlite or rice husk. This combination creates the perfect balance. The coco peat helps retain moisture, compost provides nutrition, and bark or perlite improves aeration and drainage. The result: roots stay healthy, happy, and active. Another important thing, always use a pot with proper drainage holes. No matter how perfect your soil mix is, if excess water cannot escape, problems will begin. One easy tip: after watering, check whether water drains out smoothly from the bottom. If water stays stuck inside the pot, your Anthurium will not be happy. Healthy roots lead to healthy leaves, and healthy leaves support better flowering. So never underestimate the power of a good soil mix. Sometimes improving the soil alone can completely transform your Anthurium's growth and blooming performance. Now comes the exciting part: multiplication. Yes, you can multiply Anthurium from one healthy plant. The easiest method is division. When your plant matures, you'll notice baby offsets growing around the main plant. Steps: remove plant carefully from pot, identify healthy offsets with roots, separate gently, repot in fresh soil mix. Keep newly potted plants in bright indirect light, water lightly and allow them to settle. Within time, they establish well and grow beautifully. This is a great way to expand your plant collection. For continuous growth and blooming, feeding is important. Use fertilizer once every 15 to 20 days during growing season. You can use vermicompost, compost tea, liquid fertilizer. Balanced fertilizer works well for flowering. But remember, avoid over fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can burn roots and damage the plant. Small but consistent feeding works best for this plant. Now, before we end, let's talk about some common mistakes people make while growing Anthurium. And trust me, even experienced gardeners make these mistakes sometimes. So tell me honestly in the comments, have you ever struggled with Anthurium care? Maybe yellow leaves, no blooms, or sudden leaf damage? If yes, don't worry, you're not alone. Most Anthurium problems happen because of a few small mistakes. Let's quickly talk about them. Mistake number 1: overwatering. This is probably the biggest mistake. Many people think more water means happier plants, but Anthurium doesn't work like that. Too much water can lead to root rot, yellow leaves, and weak growth. Always check the soil before watering. Mistake number 2: too much direct sunlight. Anthurium loves brightness, but harsh sunlight can burn leaves and damage blooms. If you see brown patches or faded flowers, strong sunlight could be the reason. Mistake number 3: poor drainage. Even with good watering habits, if your soil or pot doesn't drain properly, roots suffer. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy anthurium. Mistake number 4, ignoring humidity. This is something many people overlook. Anthuriums love humid surroundings. Dry air can affect growth and blooming. Mistake number 5, impatience. Yes, this is a big one too. Sometimes we expect instant growth and non-stop flowers, but plants teach us patience. Give your anthuriums proper care, consistency and time. It will reward you beautifully. So tell me, what has been your biggest challenge with anthurium till now? Watering, blooming or finding the perfect spot? I would genuinely love to know your experience in the comments. If you love flowers but don't want blooms that disappear too quickly, Anthurium is definitely worth adding to your collection. Its stunning, long-lasting blooms, beautiful foliage and easy multiplication makes it truly special. It's one of those plants that gives beauty for a long time with proper care. So tell me in the comments, do you already have an Anthurium plant in your collection? And what color bloom is your favorite? If you found this video helpful, please like, share and support the channel. Share this with fellow plant lovers so more people can discover beautiful plants like Anthurium. And if you enjoy such plant care videos, subscribe to HalfTuber81 for more gardening content. Thank you for being a part of this green journey with me. Let's keep growing naturally, sustainably and happily. Go green, grow green. See you in the next one. Happy gardening.